India vs England live score, third test match day 5. England held their nerve to clinch a dramatic 22-run victory over India in the third test at Lord's on Monday, seizing a 2-1 lead in the 5-match series. Set a target of 193, India were bowled out for 170 after tea on the final day, with off-spinner Shoaib Bashir, who had spent much of the day off the field nursing a finger injury, delivering the final blow by dismissing Mohammad Siraj. Ravindra Jadeja, once again India's pillar under pressure, remained unbeaten on 61, guiding the lower order and dragging India within touching distance of a famous win. But with little support left, his valiant effort fell just short. The match saw both teams score 387 in the first innings, setting up a low-scoring, high-tension fourth innings battle that swung back and forth until England ultimately prevailed in front of a roaring Lord's crowd. England have defeated India by 22 runs at Lord's to go 2-1 ahead in the series. Shoaib Bashir got the final wicket of Mohammad Siraj to propel his team to a win. Thank you for joining us for the third test of the series. England have got the final wicket of Mohammad Siraj and they have gone 2-1 ahead. Mohammad Siraj got dismissed in an unfortunate manner as the ball moved towards the stumps after touching his bat. The impact was enough to dislodge his bails. The batter was unmoved after getting dismissed. Salute to Ravindra Jadeja, who remained unbeaten on 61 off 181 balls. One of the middle-order batsmen should have done the job with him. All in all, an enthralling test match which ended on a memorable note for England. There is a long break now and the fourth test will be played in Manchester from July 23 to 27. England beat India by 22 runs in the third of the 5-match test series at Lord's in London on Monday. Chasing 193 runs, India got bundled out for 170 runs. Ravindra Jadeja was the top scorer and stayed unbeaten on 61 in the end. England's Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer picked up 3 wickets each in the second innings to help England win the game. Despite the initial collapse, India showed some fight in the morning. However, Shoaib Bashir picked up the final wicket to give England a famous win. With the result, England takes the lead in the series 2-1. They have won the first game in Headingley in this one today. Earlier, India squared the series in Edgbaston. Ravindra Jadeja's valiant effort was in vain as England narrowly defeated India by 22 runs on the fifth and final day of an intensely fluctuating third test, with skipper Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer playing crucial roles here on Monday. With this win, England takes a 2-1 lead in the 5-match series. The day began with India needing 135 runs and England required to take 6 wickets after setting a target of 193 runs for the visitors. The hosts dismissed 4 Indian batsmen before lunch but had to toil hard to claim the remaining 2 wickets in the last 2 sessions. India was eventually all out for 170.